If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing EAFC 25, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for EAFC 25. If your hardware is below the recommended specs, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date can significantly improve game performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch EAFC 25 and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, reduce texture quality, and disable any unnecessary visual effects. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve FPS. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve game performance. Step 5. Optimize power settings. Go to your computer's power settings and select the high performance option. This setting ensures that your system is using maximum power for gaming, which can help reduce FPS drops. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize FPS drops and enhance your gaming experience in EAFC 25. Enjoy your game.